Hi there, I'm Anthony Schroeder. I'm the author of the book, 7 Ways to Manage Pain with CBD. In this video series that we're doing, we're covering CBD and how to use it to manage your pain, chronic pain, CRPS pain. One of the biggest questions that people are always asking me is, if I take CBD, will I fail a drug test? The short and quick answer is more than likely no, but there are some caveats. First, I want you to understand, I'm going to look at 3 types of CBD product. The first one is CBD Isolate. Basically what that is the plant has been processed, all of the cannabinoids have been extracted from the plant, and then it's processed down to a point where all of the cannabinoids have been stripped, including the THC, just leaving CBD crystals. There's nothing else in them, just the crystals. It's just pure CBD. Now that is a very strong anti-inflammatory that you can use for your pain. If you're using CBD isolates, let's say in your drinks, in your food, you're mixing it with different concoctions, you're not gonna have to worry about failing a drug test. Next, you have a broad spectrum and a full spectrum. The broad spectrum, basically what that means is the manufacturer is extracting the cannabinoids out of the plant, and he's extracting additional things, and he may add some things because what the manufacturer is trying to do is maybe he's trying to make a certain type of pain product with certain cannabinoids and their specific effect on the body. Generally, there's no THC in a broad spectrum. So if you're using a broad spectrum, look at the labels, find out what's in the label and what cannabinoids are in that particular product. The manufacturer is trying to give you something specific. Then you have the full spectrum. And generally on the labels, you're going to see that it says it contains less than 0.03% THC. Well, guess what? There is still, even if it's the tip of a pin, the amount of THC that's in that full spectrum product. Now, the short answer is if you take it once or twice, no, you're not going to fail a drug test. But if you're battling pain and you're using it every day, what happens is the CBD, it builds up in your body. The cannabinoids, they build up in your body. So does the little bit of THC that's in that product. So, caveat emptor, buyer beware. A full spectrum CBD oil or product could cause you to fail a drug test. So beware of what you're taking, what you're using, what the impact that you're trying to get from the product. And if you have to shift into something different, then look for products that are broad spectrum or start using a CBD isolate. Now, it can be expensive. The more you buy, it can add up. But what it will do for your pain is night and day, and you won't have to worry about failing a drug test. So beware of the products that you're using, because if you use it long enough, you could raise the level of THC in your body to a certain point that if you had to take a drug test, you could test positive. So when they do a drug test, they only give you a false or a positive. There isn't anything in between. So if you test positive, be careful. That's all I can say with the products that you're taking. If you test positive, you'll fail. Anyway, so pay attention to what you're using and look for good quality products. I like full spectrum, but I also like broad spectrum, because what's happening with the broad spectrum is I can find different cannabinoids for different issues in my body. So until next time, have a great day and pay attention to what you're taking.